If you're doing both, you'll create a momentum. You start to trigger like sales every day and having higher revenues.
Justin, especially when you go to work, like right before you go to work, you could put it to list like 100, 200 items and just go to work.
I think you should also do bulk listing, like, because by doing bulk listing, you will like list more items and having more visibilities and stuff. So it'll like kind of trigger more sales.
All right, what's up, guys? Mark Augustine here. And in this video, we're going to talk about the lazy way to sell $20,000 a month with eBay dropshipping. And we have Oliver on the channel. If you don't know who I am, I've been dropshipping eBay since 2011. We also have Justin, who also asked the question. So, Oliver, you want to introduce yourself really quickly?
Yo guys, I'm Oliver. I'm doing dropshipping for a living from Vietnam. And yeah, today I'll show you how to bulk list the lazy way.
You're living in Vietnam, you're Canadian, selling in the US, correct?
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
Okay, so
So
if you guys are in the US, if you guys are Canadian, or if you guys trying to dropship internationally, you can learn from Oliver. But sorry, Oliver, go ahead.
yeah, exactly. So Justin was telling me like he was listing about 20 items a day by doing substitution and sniping. And I mentioned him like I think you should also do bulk listing, like because by doing bulk listing, you will like list more items and having more visibilities and stuff. So it'll like kind of trigger more sales. So I was showing him the lazy way on how to do it. So I'm going here on ChatGPT and I'm asking him to create me 100 titles about car part because like we did a video about that recently. We know that car parts are selling on eBay. And I asked him with different keyword to go to get different items because we'll put it in the book lister after. And also niche. I'm doing that and it will create me like you see here all those car parts. And like by doing that, it's a lazy way to have more items and don't put that much time. And yes, they are like selling less than the substitute and the sniping, but they're still selling. Like even if it's selling less, I think that's great to have some book listing rather than not like and not having chance of selling them.
And the profit margin on the bulk listing items are usually a little higher than the product substitution, right? Well,
Yeah, exactly.
usually. We have
Exactly.
one account that has like 27% product substitution, but that's not normal.
So I copy those titles and we're working here with Ecom Sniper. And you can see here, I will drop those
So,
titles
guys,
in the
one thing before you continue, Oliver, if you guys want to look at any of Oliver's videos, we've done videos previously. I'll put a link to the playlist. I'll also put a link to Oliver's group so you could talk to him personally. And there'll be a link to my calendar and link to Justin's videos that we did before.
yeah,
And
guys.
so just check out the description and comment if you have any questions as you watch a video. And it'll be helpful. All of you guys have Ecom Sniper. It'll also be helpful if you have Ecom Sniper open while you're watching the video so you can learn.
And also if you're like nomad or and stuff like it will be cool like say hi, we can link up or something. It will be nice. So yeah, here we're working with Ecom Sniper software and I'm dropping all those titles and pretty simple. So here we have 79 titles
And
and
that's the
it will
product hunter, right?
yeah, that's the product hunter. And now with those titles, it will find us like 2 items per title. So and like now we won't wait like, but you'll see like usually it's pretty fast and it gives you like different items like that. Like here we have car parts and I asking for something niche. So that's kind of niche, I think so. And you just have to transfer book listing and like active the book listing and after you don't have to do anything so you can like wait a bit for the product hunter get about like 500 600 items and like just every day go book list like about 50 items 100 items a day and it's pretty it's like the laziest way to have a chance of selling something with like high profit margin. So yeah, I think we should all do a bit of bulk listing.
Wow,
And bro, it's so simple. Like you see, it took me like 2 minutes, and
two
I can build.
minutes.
Yeah, and like you can do something else, and you're still doing something productive on the account. Like, and especially if you're beginning, that's a great way to have more items.
I agree. I mean, I was product substituting at first, but we spoke early on what I was doing wrong. So it is great. It's great now that I could see the advantage using this product, this tool.
Justin, especially when you go to work, like right before you go to work, you could put it to list like 100, 200 items and just go to work.
Bro, I just realized.
Bro, like, cause now you said like you used to do about 20 items a day, but like it take you like 5 days to have 100 items. Here you can do like extra
Well,
100
I
items
wanted
like
to
every
know.
day.
I wanted to know how you guys reached the 5,000 items. I'm like, bro, fucking long you guys on the fucking doing this shit.
No. But when you look at the videos, you see a couple of things, right? So when, like for instance, with Euron, there's a video we did where there are 2,500 items, but those are all product substitute and sniped items because we have someone every day listing 60 to 100 items a day. So that's like a month and a half of work, right? But when the guys that you see like 5,000 listings, 10,000 listings, 15,000 listings, 25,000 listings, that's mainly the bulk listing like strategy.
Yeah, I
Okay.
think when you have less time, like in your situation, book listing is great because we don't
Okay.
have like all the day to do product substituting
Makes
and like
sense.
if you mix that with your sales event and you still product substituting, I don't think you should stop product substituting because like if you're doing both, you'll create a momentum and some like you start to trigger like sales every day and having higher revenues. Yeah.
Makes sense. All right. Thank you.
All right, guys.
Welcome.
So all of you guys on YouTube, like the video, subscribe. If you have any follow-up questions on how to do this, let us know in the comment section. Look in the description for all the free resources. If you're not part of Ecom Sniper, it would be helpful to join Ecom Sniper and follow along as we do it here on YouTube. If you can't afford Ecom Sniper, I also have a free lister that you could use, and I'll make videos on how to use that. I have some videos in the past, and I'll make some follow videos. All right, guys. And don't forget to
Yeah.
check out Oliver's community. Link in the description. Anything you want to say before you go, Oliver?
No, just like you don't have to put that much time in having like 100 items listed daily on in even more. Yeah.
All right, then.
All right,
Thanks.
guys.